Hi, in this video, we are going to show you how this Hisense interactive board enable you to screencast your device up to 4 devices simultaneously to this board. Right? First thing we need to do to ensure all the devices is connected to the board hotspot itself. After you get connected to the Wi-Fi signal, the next thing you need to do is to connect your devices directly using the Hisense application software that you're going to install in your laptop or in your device, handphone, etc. So I'm going to connect the first one. This is the second one from my Android handphone. Third one from the handphone as well, and the fourth one from the laptop. So we have 4 screens running concurrently, sharing their screen to this Goboard. Besides using the Hisense application software to connect, you also can consider to use Type-C dongle. We call it a one-click connection basis. All you need to do is to pair this dongle to the board itself. After you pair it, then the next thing you can do is just plug into your Type-C enabled laptop or PC. Wait for it to stop blinking. Then you can just press one time. You can see the screen is directly casted to this Goboard.